If your TikTok videos are getting 0 views, I'm about to show you 3 proven tips that can push your videos to viral. And yes, I tested this myself.
You might be using hashtags, trending sounds, good content, but still no views, no followers, no engagement. That's because you're missing these simple steps.
Your first 3 seconds decide everything. If people don't stop scrolling, your video is dead.
Nobody is telling you this TikTok secret.
So here's what I did. I used an app called TT Boost. First, install TT Boost from Play Store, open it, and log in with your TikTok username.
Then, collect free coins. Now, I click the like button, like the video, return to the app, and get coins. Again, I click on like button, like the video, and return to the app. And yes, I get coins. In this strategy, you should collect coins.
A few moments later.
I earned 132 coins using this strategy. Go to the store section. Choose followers or likes. Want faster growth? You can choose from different packages, like 180 followers, 360, 800, or even 1800. And the bigger the package, the bigger the discount. Or you can use coins to get started for free. Simple, fast, and effective. I place an order for 10 followers using 100 coins. And within a short time, you'll start seeing results. Followers increasing, likes going up. And this early engagement pushes your video to more people. I tested this method myself, and it helped me grow faster.
So if you're serious about going viral, don't just post and wait. Download TT Boost now from Play Store. Start with free coins. Link is in the description and in the comment. And comment viral if you're ready to grow your TikTok fast. Take care and see you next video soon.